Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new fart pose on Dress to Impress. So this will unfortunately only be available for 24 hours, so it's going to only be here for the April Fool's Day. You can just go to the post pack and you'll be able to see the fart pose here. You don't even need to purchase it because it's only going to be available for 24 hours. Maybe after they will remove it, but this is what it looks like. Interesting. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Let me know if you like this update so far. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.